fine. We got him out of there. Get your jacket. Get your water bottle. Wait, can you see what you're keeping in this water bottle?
Just water.
Just water?
Yeah. Hello.
Look, my dad is right over there.
Dude, I.
Tasty. Hello.
What were you doing there?
I was just running.
Baby, okay, lesson learned. Do not run in this path. Otherwise, you're gonna trip over and then probably go like, wee, to your death.
Well, I mean, there's a road down
Look at how thick that is.
Yeah, but think about the trees you're gonna hit.
Like,
Yeah.
oh, my butt.
Anyways,
Forget your butt. You can break your spine.
Yeah.
good point.
Continue, or wait for the grown-ups.
Definitely continue.
Yeah.
How did he even reach from that point to all the way here?
Yeah.
There. Okay, never mind.